Dear students, how are you? Fine. I am also fine. Thanks. I myself, Brahman sir, have brought a nice video based on chemistry for class 10. Topic is chemical reaction and equation. Part 2. Today I will explain what is chemical reaction, how many types of chemical reaction, as well as what are the characteristics of the chemical reaction. With the help of the different chemical equation, you can able to understand about more information related with chemical reaction. Before explanation, chemical reaction and equation part 2, I would like to motivate the students at first. Work is the mother of success. If you want to go ahead, if you want to reach your target, first of all, you will have to change your thinking. Your thinking must be unique so that you can be able to get success in your life. Now come to the point and let us study with a lot of concentration on this lovely topic, characteristics of the chemical reaction. Characteristics of the chemical reaction. First of all, understand here, what do you mean by chemical reaction? What do you mean by chemical reaction? When two or more substances chemically react and they also form new variety of products whose properties also differ from the reactant. When two or more substances chemically react and they form new substances whose properties differ means अलग होता है, whose properties differ from original substances. And for example, this is called as chemical reaction. Example, A plus B gives AB. A plus B gives AB. Here A and B are original substances. These are called as reactant. In the previous class, I have also explained. In the previous video, I have also explained what are reactant and what are products. The chemical substance which take part in the chemical reaction, that is called as reactant. Here A and B are involved in this chemical reaction. These are reactants. And AB, that is a new kind of substance. This is the product. As I think all of you have understood what are reactant and products. Reactants are one chemical substances which take part in the chemical reaction, whereas AB, this is a new substance, that is a product which is formed at the end of the chemical reaction. We also take another example. Just now, H2 plus I2, this is hydrogen and iodine, both chemically react under absolute pressure. They also diffuse together. They also form hydrogen iodide. This name is hydrogen iodide. We will also balance this chemical equation. Hydrogen, number of hydrogen atom is 2. We will also put 2 in the right side. Iodine has been 2. Iodine is already 2. This equation is balanced. This method is called as heat and trial method. This method is called as heat and trial method. Now let us study what are the characteristics of the chemical reaction. There are following characteristics of the chemical reaction, such as evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, change in temperature, change in color, and change in state. I have explained 5. Again listen carefully. First is evolution of gas. Second, change in formation of precipitate, change in color, change in temperature, and formation of change in state. I have explained these 5. And these all 5 characteristics you will study one by one with the help of various examples. I am going to explain about the first characteristics of the chemical reaction, evolution of gas. First characteristics of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction का characteristics. First characteristics is evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. There are some chemical reactions which also refer to evolution of gas. It means during the chemical reaction, a lot of gas is also evolved. With the help of various examples, you can able to understand here. Some chemical reactions refer to evolution of gas. As for example, we take hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen by combustion process. By combustion process, they give carbon dioxide, water, heat plus light. This is the general reaction. This is the general reaction, common reaction. On this general reaction, we can also estimate about the various products formed during the chemical reaction between different substances, such as hydrocarbon. Do you know what we mean by hydrocarbon? A compound which is made of hydrogen and carbon. A compound which is made of hydrogen and carbon. Hydro means hydrogen and carbon. ऐसा कंपाउंड जो कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से बना हो, that is called as hydrocarbon. I take one example, CH4. This is methane. When burnt in presence of oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water plus heat plus light. We also take another example, C2H6. This is called as ethane. यदि कार्बन की संख्या 1 हो, यदि कार्बन की संख्या 1 हो, तो 1 कार्बन वाले को मैथ कहते हैं, और यदि कार्बन की संख्या 2 हो, तो 2 कार्बन वाले को एथ कहते हैं, 3 कार्बन वाले को प्रोप कहते हैं, 4 कार्बन वाले को ब्यूट कहते हैं, 5 कार्बन वाले को पेंट कहते हैं, 6 कार्बन वाले को हेक्स कहते हैं, 7 कार्बन वाले को हेप्ट कहते हैं, 8 कार्बन वाले को ऑक्ट कहते हैं, और 9 कार्बन वाले को नॉन कहते हैं, और 10 कार्बन वाले को डेक कहते हैं. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. हियर कार्बन की संख्या 2 है, इसलिए एथ हमने लिखा, और एल्केन ग्रुप से बिलोंग करता है, इसलिए एथेन है. दिस ऑल्सो रिएक्ट विद O2 by combustion process. This also gives the same product, CO2 plus H2O plus heat plus light. During this chemical reaction, you have also got the information carbon dioxide gas is evolved. For showing the evolution of gas, we also use arrow sign upward direction. Arrow sign in upward direction, this is mentioned in the chemical reaction if we want to make the chemical reaction more informative. Let us try to balance this chemical equation. How many carbon are there? कार्बन की संख्या कितनी है? तो 1 है. यहाँ कार्बन भी 1 है. हाइड्रोजन, दिस इज 4. हाइड्रोजन को 4 कीजिए, 2 देने से 2 2 जा 4 हो जाता है। ऑक्सीजन देखिए, 2 ऑक्सीजन 2 ऑक्सीजन, 2 + 2 4, 2 2 जा 4, कार्बन इज 1, कार्बन इज 1, इक्वेशन इज बैलेंस्ड। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द केमिकल इक्वेशन। नाउ सेकेंड, इथेन, कार्बन की संख्या 2 है। इन केस ऑफ इथेन और ब्यूटेन वी विल पुट 2 हियर। अपने मन से यहाँ 2 लगाएंगे पहले। 2 2 जा 4, कार्बन को कीजिए 4, हाइड्रोजन 2 6 जा 12, 6 2 जा 12, ऑक्सीजन 4 2 जा 8, अब +6 देखिए, 4 2 जा 8 +6 14, 7 2 जा 14। In this way, chemical equation is balanced. This method is called as hit and trial method. We again consider for the evolution of gas on another examples such as metal when react with acid. Do you know what is metal? Such type of element which are electron donors. Such type of elements which are electron donors. इलेक्ट्रॉन देने वाले को मेटल कहते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने वाले को नॉन मेटल कहते हैं। तो मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर्स बट नॉन मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीवर। पे अटेंशन हियर, मेटल, मेटल प्लस एसिड गिव्स मेटल साल्ट प्लस हाइड्रोजन। दिस इज द chemical reaction, general chemical reaction. We take an example, potassium when react with hydrochloric acid, what will be formed? Sodium when react with H2SO4, then what will happen? Calcium reacts with HCl, what will happen? Zinc reacts with H2SO4, what will happen? Here potassium, this is highly reactive than hydrogen. Potassium is highly reactive than hydrogen, so potassium displaces hydrogen and they form potassium chloride and hydrogen gas is also liberated. Similarly, sodium also displaces hydrogen and they form Na2SO4, sodium sulfate plus hydrogen gas is also liberated. I have just explained. Next, calcium when react with hydrochloric acid, they also form CaCl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas is liberated. Then what will happen when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid? This is called as sulfuric acid. That is also called as king of chemicals. This is called as king of chemicals. सभी केमिकल्स का किंग माना जाता है H2SO4 को। This will form zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas is also liberated. In all cases, you have got the information. Several varieties of gases are also released during the chemical reaction. Now, we will try to balance this chemical equation one by one. How many hydrogen are there? There are 2 hydrogen. In reactant site, there is only 1 hydrogen. We will also put 2. हाइड्रोजन की संख्या 2 हो गई। अब क्लोरीन की संख्या कितनी है? क्लोरीन की संख्या भी 2 है, तो क्लोरीन विल ऑल्सो बी 2 ऑन पुटिंग 2। KCl के पहले 2 लगाने से क्लोरीन 2 हो जाता है। पोटासियम इज ऑल्सो 2, पोटासियम इज ऑल्सो इक्वेशन बैलेंस्ड। This type of equation is said to be balanced chemical equation. Now next, sodium is 2, सोडियम को कर दिया 2, सल्फेट SO4, हाइड्रोजन इज 2, हाइड्रोजन इज ऑल्सो 2। नेक्स्ट, CaCl2, नंबर ऑफ कैल्शियम एटम इज 1, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1, क्लोरीन 1, क्लोरीन यहाँ 2 है, क्लोरीन को 2 कर देते हैं, हाइड्रोजन 2 हो जाता है, हाइड्रोजन ऑलरेडी 2 है प्रोडक्ट में, कैल्शियम 1 है, कैल्शियम 1। Similarly, we consider on another reaction Zn plus H2SO4, ZnSO4, zinc 1, sulfate SO4, पूरा H2. This equation is already balanced. the study about the formation of precipitate. Do you know what is precipitate? Can anybody? Let us try to understand what do you mean by precipitate. Precipitate is the insoluble solid substance which is obtained at the bottom of the container after chemical reaction. Precipitate. Let us study. Precipitate. It is the insoluble solid. Insoluble नहीं घुलने वाला, जो डिजॉल्व नहीं हो. It is the insoluble solid. Settled at bottom of the container. Bottom of the container. Having identified color. यह वह insoluble solid है जो ऑब्टेन होता है एट द बॉटम ऑफ द कंटेनर. कंटेनर के बॉटम में. हैविंग आइडेंटिफाइड कलर ड्यूरिंग केमिकल रिएक्शन. दैट इज द प्रेसिपिटेट. ड्यूरिंग द केमिकल रिएक्शन we also obtain the product in the form of precipitate. Let us study with the help of the example. As potassium iodide plus lead nitrate PbNO3 whole 2. Lead nitrate. This is potassium iodide. After chemical reaction, it forms here iodine. This reacts with Pb. So Pb and I, when they chemically react, they will form PbI2. Potassium and nitrate, they will form potassium nitrate KNO3. Here the student is also facing problem. Here NO3 whole 2 is written. Here NO3 is written. Why? Potassium nitrate. How this type of chemical formula is formed? Let us study. Potassium symbol is K. Nitrate symbol is NO3. Potassium has the valency 1. Nitrate also has the valency 1. By the criss-cross method, chemical formula of potassium nitrate, that will be KNO3. When valency are equal, that will be cancelled. Chemical formula of potassium nitrate, this is KNO3. I have just explained. Pay attention how to balance the chemical equation. Iodine, number of iodine atom is 2. This will also be 2. पोटासियम हैज बिकम 2. पोटासियम की संख्या 2 हो गई है. पोटासियम को 2 कर दीजिए, जिससे नाइट्रेट ग्रुप 2 हो जाता है. नाइट्रेट ग्रुप ऑलरेडी 2 है. लीड 1. In this way chemical equation is balanced. Here lead iodide, this is obtained as the form of precipitate. Here arrow sign downwards. This indicates that the formation of precipitate. This color is yellow. लीड आयोडाइड का कलर येलो होता है. यह पीपीटी के फॉर्म में अपीयर होता है. इसको प्रेसिपिटेट कहते हैं, इनसॉल्युबल सॉलिड कहते हैं. अनदर, when sulfuric acid reacts with barium chloride, what will happen? Here Cl and hydrogen both chemically react. They will form hydrochloric acid. तो बन जाएगा BaSO4 प्लस HCl. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड हाइड्रोजन और क्लोराइड के मिलने से बना. हाइड्रोजन है द वैलेंसी 1 दिखाते हैं. हाइड्रोजन क्लोरीन वैलेंसी 1. By the criss-cross method, what will happen? Both valencies will be cancelled. Formula will be HCl. I have just given the feedback here. how hydrochloric acid chemical formula will be formed. Here on during the chemical reaction, when barium chloride chemically react with sulfuric acid, they will also form barium sulfate in the form of precipitate. That's why we have used the arrow sign in the downward direction. This is the white precipitate. White precipitate. Hydrochloric acid. This is in liquid form. If we want to make chemical reaction more informative, we also represent solid as S, liquid as L, gas as G, aqueous. It is referred as AQ dot. Diluted, DIL dot. इस नोटिफिकेशन का यूज करते हैं केमिकल रिएक्शन में. concentrated, we write CONC, conc dot. So in this way we can also make the chemical equation more informative. Arrow sign upward, this shows evolution of gas. Arrow sign downward, this shows precipitate. PPT, इसको प्रेसिपिटेट कहते हैं, शॉर्ट में PPT लिखते हैं. Let us study about the third characteristics of the chemical reaction. This is the change in color. You have just studied about the two characteristics of the chemical reaction: evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, and I am going to explain the third characteristics. This is the change in color. There are some activities which happen in our daily life, which also refer to change in color. Let us study with the help of activity how the color of the substance changes time to time. At first we take a beaker. This looks like just like a cylindrical jar. It is also kept on a table. This is a table. This is called as beaker. At first we take potassium permanganate solution. This is the potassium permanganate solution. AMnO4 solution लेते हैं. सबसे पहले हम एक बीकर लेते हैं, जिसको एक टेबल पर रख देते हैं. इस बीकर में पोटासियम परमैंगनेट सॉल्यूशन लेते हैं, जिसका कलर की पर्पल होता है. As I think all of you have understood what is the original color of potassium permanganate. The original color of potassium permanganate is purple. Now, with the help of the dropper, we also add few drops of lemon juice. With the help of dropper, this is dropper. With the help of dropper, we also add some lemon juice in this potassium permanganate solution. After a while, the chemical reaction takes place between them. The color of potassium permanganate solution is disappeared. पोटासियम परमैंगनेट का ओरिजिनल कलर गायब हो जाता है. The solution becomes colorless finally. As a conclusion, we find that color of solution becomes colorless. Solution colorless हो जाता है. Why does it happen? Why the color of the solution become colorless? It happens due to the chemical reaction between citric acid, between lemon juice which contains citric acid. लेमन जूस में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? तो साइट्रिक एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है. यह साइट्रिक एसिड पोटासियम परमैंगनेट सॉल्यूशन से रिएक्ट करता है और फाइनली द ओरिजिनल कलर ऑफ पोटासियम परमैंगनेट व्हिच वाज पर्पल, दिस वाज कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर्ड. सॉल्यूशन बिकम्स कलरलेस. This happens due to the chemical reaction between them. Advanced chemical reaction also show that the change in color. Let us, we also study about some another activities such as, again we take a beaker. Or test tube. Any of the two you can take. This is the test tube. यह टेस्ट ट्यूब है और इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में पोटासियम डाइक्रोमेट सॉल्यूशन लेते हैं. दिस इज द टेस्ट ट्यूब. इट इज केप्ट ऑन अ टेबल. यह टेस्ट ट्यूब एक टेबल पर रखा हुआ है और इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में पोटासियम डाइक्रोमेट सॉल्यूशन लेते हैं. K2Cr2O7 सॉल्यूशन. Color of this solution, this is the color of this solution is orange. Now sulfur dioxide gas is passed. There is a delivery tube. This is delivery tube. You know what is the name? Delivery ट्यूब. एक ऐसा पाइप जिसके द्वारा गैस ट्रांसफर हो, दैट इज द डिलीवरी ट्यूब. बाय दिस डिलीवरी ट्यूब सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस इन करता. नाउ दिस सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गोज इन द सॉल्यूशन. यह सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इस सॉल्यूशन में आता है. दिस सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज ऑल्सो डिफ्यूज्ड with this solution. Now the chemical reaction also takes place between potassium dichromate solution as well as sulfur dioxide. After involving the chemical reaction, what will happen? The color of the solution. The color of the solution appears from orange to green. इस solution का color orange to green हो जाता है. Orange to green. This is the result. यह result है. The color of the solution of potassium dichromate solution, it changes from orange to green. Why does it happen? This happens due to the chemical reaction between potassium dichromate solution as well as sulfur dioxide gas. In this way, you have just got the information. The color changes during the chemical reaction between two or more substances. In this way, you have got much information related with this topic, change in color. That is one of the most important characteristics of the chemical reaction. In the next class, you will also study about the change in temperature, about the change in state, etc. If you get much benefit with the help of this video, I would like to say to all, if you want to get a lot of talent, if you want to be a masterpiece in the coming time, surely you will try to continue watch this video for getting much benefit. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.